Finding the perfect liquid matte lipstick can be a tricky task with so many options on the market today. You want something that's long-lasting, comfortable, and of course, looks stunning. In this video, we'll be diving into 5 of the best liquid matte lipsticks available. Huda Beauty, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, Smashbox, and Kat Von D. Whether you're looking for bold color payoff or a more natural look, we've got you covered with detailed insights into each product's features, benefits, and overall performance. Kicking off our list at number 1, Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. The Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick has been a fan favorite for a reason. Known for its rich pigment and comfortable wear, this product is designed to give you the perfect matte finish without drying your lips. Its formula is a blend of high-performance pigments and nourishing ingredients, making it a top contender in the liquid matte category. Whether you're looking for a neutral nude or a vibrant red, Huda Beauty offers an array of shades to suit every skin tone. Key features: Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick features a non-drying, lightweight formula that glides on effortlessly for full coverage in just one swipe. The lipstick boasts a precise applicator for easy application, even along the edges of the lips. The long-wear formula is smudge-proof and resistant to fading, ensuring that your lip color stays in place all day long. Huda Beauty offers a wide range of colors, from deep reds to soft pinks, to cater to diverse preferences. Benefits and usage: this lipstick is perfect for anyone seeking a matte finish that doesn't compromise on comfort. Its formula includes ingredients like vitamin E, which help keep your lips hydrated throughout the day. Thanks to its long-lasting power, you can apply it in the morning and not worry about reapplying until the evening. It's also great for events or long days when you need a lipstick that stays put through eating, drinking, and talking. Usability: the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick is incredibly user-friendly. Its smooth, velvety texture makes it easy to apply, and the precision applicator ensures you can create a perfect pout without a lot of effort. It also dries down quickly, leaving a beautiful matte finish that won't feel sticky. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, this lipstick is simple to work with and will give you the perfect matte look every time. Durability: this lipstick's durability is one of its standout features. It stays intact for hours without fading or cracking, even through meals and drinks. While it doesn't require constant touch-ups, a light reapplication after eating may be necessary for some shades, especially those with lighter or more vibrant hues. It's perfect for busy days, nights out, or events where you want to look flawless all day long. In the second spot, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick is a staple in the beauty industry, praised for its high-quality formulation and intense color payoff. This lipstick offers a creamy, smooth application that dries down to a flawless matte finish. Whether you're attending a glam event or just want a sophisticated everyday look, this liquid lipstick provides everything you need with a formula that ensures all-day wear. Key features: Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick is available in a range of stunning shades, from soft pinks to bold reds. The lipstick features a lightweight formula that gives full coverage without the heavy feel of some matte products. Its specially designed applicator allows for precise application, while the formula is infused with antioxidants to keep your lips nourished. It's also free from parabens and sulfates, making it a great choice for those looking for a clean beauty option. Benefits and usage: this liquid lipstick is designed for long-lasting wear and is perfect for those who want a product that stays put throughout the day. Whether you're heading to work, going to a party, or having a long dinner, you can trust that Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick won't budge. The formula is rich and saturated with color, so you won't need to reapply multiple times. It's ideal for a night out when you need something that won't need touch-ups. Usability: the lipstick's easy-to-use applicator ensures a clean and precise line, which is especially helpful when you're aiming for that perfect lip shape. The smooth texture makes it easy to apply evenly, and it dries down to a comfortable matte finish in no time. It's also perfect for layering, allowing you to build up the intensity of the color for a more dramatic effect, without feeling heavy or cakey. Durability: Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick is one of the best in terms of longevity. Once it dries, it stays in place for hours, with minimal transfer. Even after eating and drinking, the lipstick remains intact, though it may require a light touch-up with lighter shades after a few hours. Its durability makes it perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle who still wants to look polished and put together. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream offers the perfect balance of a creamy texture and a matte finish. Unlike other liquid lipsticks that can feel dry, this one provides a comfortable, non-cracking formula that feels lightweight yet delivers intense color. Available in a variety of shades, the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream is a great affordable option for anyone looking to experiment with matte lipsticks without breaking the bank. Key features. The key feature of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream is its unique formula that provides a soft, mousse-like texture with a smooth, velvety matte finish. It offers full coverage in a single swipe and feels incredibly comfortable on the lips. The formula is also infused with a touch of sweetness, making it pleasant to wear throughout the day. The lipstick comes in a wide range of vibrant and subtle shades, catering to every style. Benefits and usage. This product is great for everyday wear because it's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to apply. Unlike many matte lipsticks, NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream doesn't dry out your lips. It's perfect for anyone who wants a soft, matte finish without the heavy feel of traditional liquid lipsticks. Whether you're at work, out shopping, or meeting friends for coffee, this product offers a no-fuss solution for long-lasting matte color. Usability. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream comes with a precise applicator that ensures smooth application and an even finish. Its soft texture makes it easy to apply and layer, giving you the freedom to adjust the intensity of the color. It's also very forgiving, so if you make a mistake, it's easy to clean up without ruining the look. Ideal for beginners, this lipstick can be applied quickly for a polished look with minimal effort. Durability. This lipstick has impressive durability considering its lightweight formula. While it might not be as long-lasting as some of the more intense liquid lipsticks, it still provides a decent wear time. Expect it to last several hours without fading, though it may need a touch-up after meals. It's also transfer-resistant, making it ideal for all-day wear without worrying about smudging or stains. Taking our fourth spot is Smashbox Always On. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick is known for its bold color payoff and long-lasting formula that ensures your lips stay vibrant all day. The formula is infused with a blend of nourishing ingredients, including primer oil, that creates a soft matte finish without feeling drying. Smashbox is a brand trusted by professionals, and this liquid lipstick lives up to its reputation by delivering a high-performance product for every lip lover. Key features. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick features a lightweight formula that glides on smoothly and dries quickly to a beautiful matte finish. The lipstick is designed to resist smudging, feathering, and fading, making it perfect for long hours of wear. It's available in a wide range of shades, from neutrals to vibrant reds, allowing you to find the perfect color for any occasion. The formula is also cruelty-free, making it a great choice for those who are looking for ethical beauty products. Benefits and usage. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick is perfect for anyone who needs a lipstick that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Its primer oil-infused formula not only gives a smooth finish but also helps to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Whether you're at work, a party, or traveling, this liquid lipstick won't let you down. It's ideal for those who want a high-performance product that delivers lasting results without compromising on comfort. Usability. The lipstick's precise applicator allows for easy application, and the formula ensures smooth, even coverage. It dries quickly to a soft matte finish that won't feel sticky or uncomfortable. This liquid lipstick can be worn alone for a bold look or layered with other products for added dimension. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, this lipstick is simple to use and offers flawless results with minimal effort. Durability. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick is incredibly long-wearing. It stays put for hours, even through eating and drinking, and resists smudging. Once it sets, it's virtually transfer-proof, making it ideal for events, meetings, or anything that demands a long-lasting, reliable lip color. However, for the deepest shades, it might require a light touch-up after meals. And finally, at number 5, we have Kat Von D Everlasting. Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick is a cult favorite known for its intense pigmentation and all-day wearability. The lipstick's formula is designed to provide vibrant color and a matte finish while keeping your lips feeling soft and hydrated. With a wide array of shades, from edgy dark tones to bright pinks, this lipstick has something for everyone who loves bold and long-lasting lip color. Key features. The Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick boasts a highly pigmented formula that provides full coverage with just one swipe. It's infused with natural ingredients like vitamin E and sunflower seed wax to nourish and hydrate your lips while ensuring a matte finish. The long-lasting formula resists smudging, fading, and feathering, making it ideal for long days or nights out. The lipstick is also vegan and cruelty-free, offering an ethical choice for beauty lovers. Benefits and usage. Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick is perfect for anyone who wants a matte lipstick that lasts through the day without compromising comfort. The formula's hydrating elements ensure your lips remain smooth, even with extended wear. Whether you're attending an event, out on a date, or just want to stand out, this lipstick provides the long-lasting, bold color you're looking for, all while keeping your lips feeling soft. Usability. The lipstick sleek applicator ensures precise application, and the formula dries down quickly, leaving behind a smooth matte finish. It's easy to apply and requires minimal touch-ups throughout the day, making it a great option for those who need a reliable lipstick for busy schedules. The product is also versatile and can be worn as a standalone bold statement or paired with other products for an added pop of color. Durability. Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick offers exceptional durability. Once it sets, it's completely smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and fade-resistant, providing you with long-lasting coverage. Whether you're out on the town or enduring a long workday, you can rely on this lipstick to stay vibrant and intact. It does a great job of maintaining color intensity even after meals, though it may need a slight touch-up with lighter shades. 5 of the best liquid matte lipsticks available today, each offering unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're seeking an everyday, comfortable matte finish or a bold, long-lasting color for a night out, there's a product on this list for you. The key to finding your perfect liquid lipstick is to consider factors like pigmentation, comfort, wear time, and the shades available. Let us know which one you'll be trying out in the comments below.